Hi everyone, welcome to Hua Cuisine. I'm Hua. Today I'm going to make Yangzhou Fried Rice. For Yangzhou Fried Rice, we need these ingredients. 1 bowl of cooked white rice. About 4 cups. I have cooked the rice yesterday and put it in the refrigerator overnight. I use basmati rice. This kind of rice does not stick together. The rice should be washed before cooking. I usually wash it 3 times. After the rice is washed, it can be cooked in the rice cooker. We also need 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon white pepper powder. Luncheon meat, half cup of green peas, 6 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 carrot, 1 spring onion. If you are enjoying Hua Cuisine, please hit the subscribe and pop me thumbs up. Thank you for your support. Peel the carrots. Cut them into strips first. Then cut them into small cubes. And put them in the small bowl with the green peas. Chop the green onions and put them in a small bowl. Cut the luncheon meat into slices first. Then cut it into strips. Finally, cut them into small cubes and put it in the small bowl. Beat the 2 eggs and set them aside. Boil a pot of water. When the water boils, put the carrots and the green peas into the boiling water. Boil for about a minute. Then take it out and put it in the cold water so that the green peas will not change color and look more beautiful. Then drain the water. Turn on the fire to high heat. After the wok is heated, put 3 tablespoons of oil into the wok. Put the eggs in the wok and scramble them. Then take them out for later use. Turn on the heat to high heat. Put 2.5 tablespoons of oil into the wok. Then put the rice into the wok and stir fry for about 3 minutes or until the rice is dry. Then add green peas, carrots, and luncheon meat and continue to stir fry for about 2 minutes. Finally, add scrambled eggs, green onions, sugar, white pepper, salt, and stir fry for a minute. Add the remaining oil before removing rice from the wok. And this plate of Yangzhou fried rice is done. This plate of Yangzhou fried rice is rich in color. The grains of rice do not stick together. This dish is usually eaten with a spoon, so we can use basmati rice. I hope you will try this dish yourself. Let us know in the comments how it turned out. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.